Hello, my name is Guillermo Alejandro Castro Matallana. I am 21 years old. I from Pauna, Boyacá, and I live there now. I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is play soccer. My favorite TV show is Gol Caracol because my favorite sport is soccer. There are three people in my family. My mother is Nancy Matallana. She is 4 years old. She is teacher. She is from Pauna, Boyacá. My mother is very nice. She is tall. Their eyes are brown and she has black hair. My father is Guillermo Castro. He is 42 years old. He is angry sometimes. My sister is Tatiana Castro. She is 14 years old and she is nice. I love her.